What if I told you the difference between a boring edit and a masterpiece is just transitions? In this tutorial using Wondershare Filmora, I'll show you how to turn simple cuts into smooth, eye-catching transitions that instantly level up your videos like this one without complicated plugins or advanced skills. Before we begin, visit my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Filmora offers a wide range of transitions which fits to any kind of video, such as fade and dissolve, zoom, slide, 3D, SFX, and speed blur. With these transitions, you can convert your boring footage to an eye-catching one. Let's see how to use these transitions to make your video look stunning. First, launch Filmora and start a new project. Then, click on Import and select the footage which you want to use to make a video. Then, go to the titles and search for Chinese New Year, and you will get lots of options. Then, place the title of your choice on the timeline on track 3. Then, edit the title and change 2025 to 2026. Next, go to the Transitions tab, then search for Motion Parallax, and apply the transition at the start of the title. Make the transition slightly longer, then at 3:15 seconds, add an opacity keyframe. And at the end, change the opacity to 0. Then, place your first footage on track 2, and set 2 seconds as a start point and make it 5 seconds long. Then, go to the transitions, and apply Motion Parallax out at the start. Then search for light transition, and apply it on the end of the footage and make it 1 second long. Then, place your second footage on track 1 and set the start point at 6 seconds, and make it 5 seconds long. Then, go to the Effects tab and search for Diagonal Slide In effect, and apply it to your track 1 footage. On the next step, place the other footage on track 2 and make it 4 seconds long. Then place the other footage one by one on the timeline and make them 4 seconds long. Now, go to the Transitions tab and search for Diagonal Slide and apply the transition and make it 15 seconds long. Then again, search for 3D Box Flip Transition, and you will get lots of transitions. These are awesome transitions that makes your video look stunning. Apply the transition of your choice. I am using Box Flip 2. Then search for 3D Box Drop Transition and apply it. Next, shift one clip to track 1 and overlap it with the track 2 clips. Then search for Film Frame Transition and apply any 2 film frame transitions at the end of the clip and at the start of the clip. Now, to make this type of effect, go to the Effects tab and search for Tunnel Effect and apply it on the footage. Then go to the Effects setting and change the X to 57, Y to 69, Radius to 86, and Opacity to 66. Finally, place all the clips one by one and make them 10 frames, 8 frames, 6 frames, and 4 frames long. Then go to the title and apply the Chinese New Year motion title and edit the text accordingly. Then add the cinematic bar from the effects. And finally add soothing Chinese music in the background. And here is your final video. Make video with transitions in Filmora is super easy, and with new transitions, you can give your video a unique look. If you liked this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.